eh?
He's got a dicky seat in there.
Yeah.
You're going to go really muddy like mine.
Yep. Time to bail now, 2021. I was planning to get video of raking, but I was doing most of it, and using flat stick. But literally, I got up at 6:30 this morning, and I was raking that front paddock until 9:30, so busy. So just starting. Well, got a guy here baling for us in his John Deere 6610, and Vicon, I think, Vicon RV1901, that's what it says, at least, making 4x4 bales, so yeah, it's a good start. Already got 2 bales off this, so that's good. I'll have a little ride in the tractor later. I can get some video of what it looks like from their perspective. Yeah, I messed up my words. So when and 3 bales down. Probably going to get over 100. Last year we got 73 off the whole property, but this year we had much better stands because we only bought the property last year. The grass was only like this high everywhere. We got 73, but this year decent, and probably going to get over 100. So that'll be good. I suppose nothing to say. I've said that a lot, but yeah. We're baling. Stay tuned. I'll be in the tractor cab later. There'll be plenty of video of baling here. Only one video of baling. No videos of raking. I'm sorry. I was busy doing most of it. And I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. Yes. So I'll be in the cab later. I'll just keep getting a video of just this. So, yeah, stay tuned. Finished the first paddock now. Started on the one I raked this morning. This is the one I got up for 6:30 and started raking. Oh, here we comes a bale. Oh, here we come. The bale looks a little smaller compared to the baler, that's for sure. Yep, here we go. Baling 2021. Go have a look at our first barrel here. It took me 3 hours to rake this. I started at 6:30, I finished at 9:30. Well, I left the house at 6:30, got in the house at 9:30, so yeah. Oh, I'm tired. I'll set an alarm for 5 o'clock to go and do it. I woke up, turned my alarm off when it rang at 5, and then went back to sleep. I was about to get up, but then I fell back asleep. Ooh, it's light. Ooh. Smooth. Not bad, not bad. It's wrapping nicely, that's for sure. He can certainly bale faster than I can walk. He's a little in front of me. But anyway, I didn't get any video of me raking, so you're probably wondering what tractor I raked with. I didn't rake with our John Deere. I raked with a Fiat 450, just a neighbour's from up the road. We borrowed his rake too, because he borrowed our tractor and used our mower. So it's kind of a swap. So we got a little wobble in. Anyway, oh, there's another one. All good. Thomas here. Probably get 50 off this little front part, maybe. It's like, oh, up to that fence line over there. Yes. Let's go. Well, also, we're going to service our 2020 because it's done its 100 hours. And then I want to harrow this. I haven't told Dad yet, but I'm going to harrow this. So, all good. He's rolling away. Stop. He's soft here. He started rolling away from the baler. I poked it and it stopped. I poked it. There's a chance there could be snakes in here, so just yell out if you see one. Well, that was quicker. And oh, another one. What the heck, dude? 1, 2, 3, 4. Barrow number 5 then. This is barrow number 5, and we only got 6 on there, so by the time he gets to probably over here, we'll get 6. Probably just over here. We'll have 6 barrels. How good! Don't know how you got on the outside the net wrap. What bale is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's bale number 15 for this paddock. We already got half of what we had last year off this paddock, so that's not bad. Bye! I'm on top of a bale. I'm just watching from a higher perspective. I still think the bale is taller than me up here. While I'm up here. He's quite tall, the baler, and the tractor, Bye.